Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nailufar Suciati Achmad from Statistics Department of Muhammadiyah Semarang University. Today, I will give a critical review about analysis of factors affecting toddler malnutrition in Central Java with the Special Darwin Model Method by Ika Rizky Ramadhani, Rita Rahmawati, and Abdul Hoyi. Publisher, Journal Gasian, and Publication Year 2013. The object of the research was the number of malnourished children under 5 in all districts and cities in Central Java province, so that the observation unit isn't the form of region or location. With this location aspect, the proximity factors between regions also need to be taken into account. OLS, or ordinary least square regression, is a method that is used to analyze the relationship between the response variable y and the predictor variable x. However, this method will be less specific if it is used for data that have location aspects because it does not take into account the proximity factors between regions. Therefore, the special regression method would be used. SDM, or Special Darwin Model, is a special regression method developed by Anselm. This method uses spatial area data as the approach. The author was conducting this study used data search from the health profile of Central Java Province in 2011, as well as discrete 240 data and information in 2011. The observation units this study were 35 districts and cities in Central Java Province. The variable that used in the study was the number of malnutrition found 35 regencies and cities in Central Java, with the predictors variable in the form of socio-economic situation and public health amounting to 9 variables. At the stage of the analysis process, it seems that there were deficiencies because they did not conduct a mapping analysis to determine the distribution of malnutrition in children under 5 in 35 districts and cities in Central Java. However, the explanation of author's process of analyzing data was described in detail and clearly so that readers can understand how the process of analyzing the data. The results and discussion of the use of tables in this journal help support the validity and interest to read the journal, so that it is easy to understand and conclusions conveyed also can be said to be dense yet concise and clear. Overall, this article can be easily understood by readers and it can be a reference for further research. Okay guys, thank you for the time, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.